Welcome to Nanoschool's Python for AI with Scikit-Learn course, your path to becoming a full-stack machine learning expert. Join India's leading deep science learning organization with our NSTC-accredited Intermediate AI Development track. Master Scikit-Learn and build production-ready machine learning models in just 6 weeks. No prior machine learning experience required. Go beyond theory and learn supervised learning, model evaluation, feature engineering, and how to build robust ML pipelines. Ideal for engineering or statistics students, analysts transitioning to ML, professionals preparing for data science interviews, and entrepreneurs. Gain practical experience with hands-on projects, including a house price predictor, customer churn classifier, and deploying an end-to-end ML pipeline. Our 6-week syllabus covers data and ML foundations, core algorithms like linear regression and random forests, and production and deployment strategies. Benefit from lifetime LMS access, mentor support certified by NSTC, and receive an NSTC-accredited certificate recognized by Indian employers. Enroll now for a special offer of 4,999 rupees with a 30-day refund guarantee and kickstart your AI career.